In our previous video, you learned that there is sometimes punctuation around an adjective clause, a comma at the beginning and a comma at the end, as in the following example. The dancer, comma, who loves to dance, comma, knew every dance move. If we're talking about a different dancer, we might say, the dancer, comma, who hates dance class, comma, didn't know any dance moves. But what about the following sentence? The dancer who loves to dance knew every dance move, but the dancer who hates dance class didn't know any dance moves. Why did we remove the commas around the adjective clauses? In the example above, we need the adjective clauses to know which dancer we're talking about. If our adjective clause contains essential information, we do not surround it with commas. How can you tell if the adjective clause contains essential information? Try reading the sentence without the adjective clauses. Does it still make sense? Let's try it! If we take away the adjective clauses, the sentence in the previous example would read, the dancer knew every dance move, but the dancer didn't know any dance moves. Huh? We need the adjective clauses in order for this sentence to be clear.
Amanda LeBlow, Assistant Professor, English Language for Academic Purposes, Montgomery College.
Subscribe to this channel and be on the lookout for new videos.